In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a carousel in Webflow. We'll start inside a Webflow project using a demo site so you can follow along and see exactly where each option lives in the designer. First, open the project in Webflow so you're looking at the canvas and the designer panels. When the page loads, click the highlighted prompt that guides you into the workspace. This ensures you're editing the page content rather than looking at a static preview. Next, open the Layout section in the Add panel. Layouts are pre-built building blocks that speed up common patterns like galleries and carousels. If you see a highlight guiding you to a search field, click it. Then start typing to filter results so you can quickly narrow down to the gallery or carousel-style layout you want. When the matching component appears, click the highlighted result to select it. Then, click the highlighted spot on the canvas to place the component where you want the carousel to live. Inside the new layout, select an image within the gallery or slide by clicking Gallery Image. If a prompt highlights the settings or media picker, follow it. Then click Image to open your asset library. Choose a high-quality visual that matches the tone of your site. For best results, use consistent dimensions across all slides so the carousel doesn't jump in height as it cycles. With the image selected, fine-tune its display. Click Width to set a responsive size that fits your layout. Then click Height to control the frame and maintain a clean aspect ratio. If you prefer a uniform crop across slides, use dimensions that align with your design system. Click Alt Text and add a clear, descriptive phrase for accessibility and SEO. This helps screen readers and provides context if the image can't load. Next, click Type to control how the image behaves within its frame. Choose the option that best fits your needs, such as Cover for edge-to-edge visuals or Contain to preserve the full image without cropping. To access more controls, click Show All Settings. Here you can review spacing, borders, and other style details to keep the carousel consistent with your site's design. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in polish and responsiveness. When everything looks right, click Publish. Choose your staging domain if prompted, and let Webflow push the latest version live. After publishing, view the page and test the carousel on desktop and mobile sizes. If you notice any spacing or image fit issues, return to the designer, tweak the width, height, or type settings, and publish again. That's it. You've built